In this vid, you'll get to see my take at the race.
Lots of way to turn it around.
Some racing incidents. The mystery of Devin's missing GoPro. Now you see it, now you don't. And some highlights from the main event. So I'm lined up and ready for the start of the race.
Braden, I got it.
And Braden took off. But you know what? That's okay. Because it's easier for me to go faster when I'm chasing somebody. I made it up this hill second time around, no problem. And with this race, we made it to the bottleneck pretty early on. That's a great question. And if there's a gap, you take it, right?
Yeah, we want to play the game, we'll play.
Oh, bro!
Dude, I mean, I wasn't like bashing you off, you know?
I wasn't bashing you either.
Alright.
Everybody's waiting in line. Everybody wants to start being.
Hey man, I'm sorry, you didn't have to
Just because they do it doesn't mean it's cool.
Alright. I mean, you didn't have to hit me off like that.
I didn't hit you off. The ran in the back of me.
I want to make enemies here, so. Whoa.
I'm gonna treat this as a learning experience, but I'm curious, what would you do if you were in my situation? Would you have taken the gap?
How was it, Braden?
Not too bad. Steep, but.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Alright. You all good? You need any tools?
You have like an 8mm?
Yeah.
Oh.
Thank you, thank you. Steve, there's a bunch of people at the bottom.
Spot right here.
After my experience in Iowa, my goal was to try to finish the race using the least amount of energy that I could. I felt real comfortable with these rock gardens and pushed my way through. But then I made it to another bottleneck. I saw a line on the left side and I really wanted to take it, but
I don't want to it up for them, but... Thanks, man.
Free boss.
Thank you, D.
Go.
I lost a bit of energy and started making silly mistakes. I decided to switch from race mode to trail ride.
Giving away my tools. Always carry 2/8.
Sometimes it's easier to just turn around and try again.
Lots of way to turn it around. Sorry, I f***ed you up. Yeah.
When your struggle is real, this is how you make friends.
Cool.
There's been a few races where I struggled to make it even to the first checkpoint. For me, this is a win.
Ace right up here, and the plan is you want to try to hit it kind of to the left.
Thanks for the insight, Ryan, because I was really intimidated by this hill climb.
You need to be mentally prepared for this. Look up and feet on the pegs.
On pegs, like seriously, those two things will get you anywhere you want to go.
Yeah?
The plan was there, the execution, not so much.
No, 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 no. Dude, you can make it, man. You're almost to the finish. You're like really close.
That's all I needed to hear.
Dude, let's do it, man. The three of us, 20 minutes.
All I wanted to do was finish the race. I was so close. I could see the finish line.
1, 2, 3. Up. 1, 2, 3. Up. 2, 3.
This was my 4th extreme enduro, and I was super thrilled to finally finish one of them. I didn't advance onto the next round, but for now, I'm just happy that I met some cool people, and I'm glad to have the opportunity to watch some of the pros race on the same course. As the pros were finishing their first lap, I was able to catch up with Devin at Rubicon. And this is where the mystery of the missing GoPro gets solved. Right there. Did you see it?
That could have been bad.
Devin posted a $100 reward to anyone that finds and returns his GoPro. If you got a chuckle out of any of the falls, hit the like button. If you want to stay up to date with my highlights from future races, make sure to subscribe. Coming up next, highlights from Mad Moose. But for now, I'll leave you with the drinking games.
2, 3, go!
What happened?
I just won a set of tires in a beer shotgunning contest.